Today I'm going to show you how to hide your WordPress paths, including WP admin, WP login, WP content, plugins, and themes, so your website is less of a target for hackers and nosy bots. By the end of this tutorial, you'll add a strong layer of security and privacy to your WordPress site, and you'll know exactly how these changes keep your site safer. Let's jump straight in. The simplest and safest way to hide these sensitive WordPress paths is by using a specialized plugin. This is what most experts recommend, because plugins handle all the tricky technical stuff for you, so you don't risk breaking your website or getting tangled up modifying core files. There are a few excellent plugins for this purpose. If you're looking for a full solution that can hide every path you mentioned, plugins like WP Hide and Security Enhancer or Hide My WP Ghost are the go-to choices. But if your main concern is disguising your login URL, just WP Login, PHP, and WP Admin. The free WPS Hide Login plugin is lightweight, popular, and does its job beautifully. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, head over to Plugins and choose Add New. In the search box, type in the plugin's name, say WPS Hide. When you find it, click Install Now. Once installation finishes, the button will switch to Activate, so click that as well. Let's talk about configuration because that's where the magic happens. If you chose WPS Hide Login, go to Settings and you'll notice a new option for your plugin, or you might see it at the bottom of the General Settings page. Here you get to decide your new login URL. This is just a short slug, something unique like my htaccess instead of the usual WP Login PHP. Pick something that isn't too obvious, and remember, you'll use this new link to log in from now on. You can also set a redirection for anyone who tries reaching the old links. For example, you might send them to a 404 page so they just hit a dead end, or redirect them right back to your homepage if you prefer. This is a nice trick that stops automated bots or snoopy visitors from even guessing where your login page lives. Now, if you've installed one of the more comprehensive plugins, like WP Hide and Security Enhancer, things get even more interesting. In their settings page, you'll find a whole range of options, not just hiding your login URL, but also renaming or disguising the paths for WP admin, WP content, plugins, and themes. These plugins use intelligent URL rewriting, so on the surface it looks like your core WordPress folders aren't where they're supposed to be. Behind the scenes, however, your files stay perfectly safe, nothing actually gets moved. It's a clever bit of digital misdirection, kind of like putting up false doors and walkways in a secure building. After you've made your changes, make sure to save your settings. At this point, it's crucial to log out and test everything yourself. Try visiting your old WP login or WP admin URLs and confirm they redirect as expected. Then use your new secret login URL to get back in. If you've used the comprehensive plugin, poke around and check that your plugin and theme paths are masked. Don't forget to bookmark your new login link. It's easy to lose track if you change it and forget. And if anything seems off, don't worry. Most plugins offer a reset option or support docs to help get you quickly sorted. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. You've just made your WordPress site stealthier and safer with just a few clicks. If you found this walkthrough useful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help with any of the settings. And if you want more practical WordPress tips like this, hit subscribe so you're always ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.